La negociación principal y el dinero que va a ganar la persona que haga esa zona.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I did some quick scanning of the couple other bands. This is the ZWS-802 multi-band, multifunction radio. So I did some quick scanning this afternoon. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon on AM, FM, and shortwave. And I want to give you the results. And I did 2 scans on each band. I did a scan using the telescopic antenna, which is about 20 inches. And I used the repeater, the separate box that I showed you. I moved it in to the room next to my office, which that room doesn't have any electronics, so it's less interference. And I attached the included wire antenna. Now, the wire antenna is less than 10 feet, so it's not going to be ideal for shortwave. It'll be good for FM, and it'll probably be okay for AM. But shortwave, now you need at least 20 feet of a long wire for shortwave reception. But I'm going to give you the results anyway. And we're going to start with, looking at my notes here. All right, AM band with just using, I believe all bands use the telescopic antenna or the remote. I don't think there's a internal antenna for AM, medium wave, for instance. I have to ask them if that's true. I think that's true because it doesn't mention any. All right, using the telescopic antenna, I did a search, an ATS, and I found 14 stations, of which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 were very strong, clear, but the others were weak. So that's 14 stations. Now, using the remote with that 10-foot wire antenna in the other room, I got all those stations strong. It was 14 stations strong. Plus, I got 3 weak stations. So I got a total of 17 stations. And like I say, it helped the weak stations and it found a couple of new weak stations. Okay, so that was pretty good. That's pretty good for my area. FM was very good. With the telescopic antenna, I only found 20 strong signals. 20. Not too good. Again, using a telescopic antenna, and again in my office with a lot of other electronics on. It actually found, I'm looking at my notes, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It actually found 31 signals, but several of the stations were weak. Now, when I use the remote, which all you have to do is go turn the power on the remote, and then this symbol right here stops blinking, means it's talking to the remote. So with the remote, I found 6 additional stations strong. I found a total of 33. So there were several weak stations it found. So I did pretty good, 26. Although in my area, if I use an outdoor, and this was that little 10-foot wire antenna was in the room, wasn't outdoor, which is what they show in their manual. You stick it outdoors. It wasn't outdoors. I haven't done that yet. When I use a fantastic antenna up 20 feet in the air outside, I can get 43 stations. So that's the difference. Now, the last, and I did this yesterday and today, shortwave. Shortwave with, and it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, not a good time to listen to shortwave. This telescopic antenna is way too short for shortwave. I got one station and it was clear. That's the one it's on right now. With the remote, with 10 foot of wire, I got 6 stations. Only 1, 2, 3, 3 out of the 6 were loud and clear. So I only got a total of 6 stations. The stations you're able to hear right here, loud and clear. I'm on the remote. Radio Martini. Now I did another test yesterday. Actually, it was early this morning at 4 a.m. and I tested the shortwave band with no repeater, and I got 5 very weak signals. That was at 4 o'clock in the morning. When I went to the remote repeater antenna, I got 6, and some of the other ones that I got before were now coming in good. 1 good, 1 fair, and that was it. So still not very much, maybe two stations. So that's my initial testing. The remote, it suffers from the fact, number one, they give you 10 feet of wire to use as an antenna. That helps a little bit, as you saw from the results, on FM and a little bit on AM, but not much on shortwave. A little bit, not much, not noticeable. You need, for a shortwave, you need at least 20 feet and ideally outside. Now what I want to try is move the repeater down to my radio room where I got all my outside antennas coming in, my loops, and hook one of my loops up. Another test I want to do in the room next to my office is I have a small desktop loop antenna which has an amplifier on it. I want to try that. I have some adapters that I think will adapt to the cable for those, both outside and that little loop antenna. And I'm sure I'm going to get a lot better results. But overall, I love this radio. Matter of fact, I like it so well, I just put it in my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is in each of the descriptions below each of the videos. And if you use that link to buy this radio or anything else while you're there, I get a small commission, like 2%. And I use that small commission to buy things to show you. That's what I use it for. That's it. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. I'm really enjoying testing this radio. They sent me another radio. It's also a digital radio, and it's AM and FM and shortwave. A totally different class. It's about a third the price of this one, but it's a pretty cool little radio. You just want to get into shortwave listening. So that's it. I want you to have a great day. Bye-bye.